Have you ever dreamed about broadcasting beyond your living room or even your own internet station? Maybe you want to boom your voice out to a bigger network, more people on other radio stations. Well, I have just built a brand new website and hopefully tool that will connect hungry and passionate radio DJs with equally hungry radio stations looking for folks just like you who bring your unique voice and maybe, for stations that don't want to go a total AI route, like with my AI DJ software, RadioDJ. No. You want more of the human experience. And I have always supported that since day uno. I'm all about you booming out your own unique ideas, your own unique voice. So I'm going to break down this brand new tool and show you how you can use it. And I hope it really kind of ignites maybe a renaissance for radio. And it does start plugging real DJs back into the mix.
We are on the air.
I'm Jeff, the radio DJ dude, and I have always been pulling for you. Yes, you with the pulse and your own creative vibe. Sure, I do produce some AI-powered tools for radio, but come on. I am a dyed-in-the-wool, tried-and-true radio dude. Been doing it since I was 15, and I always encourage newbies like yourself who have that hunger, but know there really aren't any real opportunities left in real radio, or some of my old radio dinos who are really missing that experience and just keying into that vibe and that feeling you used to get when you rocked a mic on the FM or AM dial. Well, hopefully this new website could hook you up with radio stations that are looking for somebody just like you. And the other side of the studio, we've got radio station operators who maybe don't want to plug in an AI DJ and actually want to rock the sound with human voices. So yes, rock on with that. I love that. Any chance that we could connect real folks with real love for radio with opportunities to keep this medium alive with authentic human voices, I am so for that. And that is why I built RadioDJMatch.com. The concept is simple. We are connecting radio talent, you, with radio station owners, and you. This is just, placeholder stuff to let you know that eventually, hopefully the site looks like this, and we have a lot of opportunities up for grabs. But it all starts with creating a DJ profile or a station profile. After you sign up, you come here and you build your profile. You can upload a photo, you slam in some basic information. This is really important. If you already have an air check or a demo tape, you have to upload it somewhere, either to SoundCloud, Dropbox, or Drive, and you just slam the link in here. And if you are using Dropbox or Drive, make sure to set the sharing settings properly so others could actually access this link. And then talk about your availability and a little bio, and tell us what formats that you've worked in the past. What's your specialty? And really important, if you want us to add a contact DJ button to the profile, so maybe a station owner sees your info and says, that DJ dude or dudette would be perfect for my station. Well, they could contact you directly from your profile. So make that choice, boom, save it, and then you are off and running. Look at that beautiful profile. So after you kick your profile into gear, then you want to check out the opportunities board. And since this really hasn't been launched yet, I did share this with some other station folks just to kind of, prime the pump. And it looks like there already is one job opportunity. Of course, at XXX80s, I am going to do another fun guest DJ takeover. So this is an opportunity to get on that when it happens. And when you find an opportunity that, makes you perk up, well, you could check out their station profile and even their station website. And you can check it out before you apply. We're right here, looking for a DJ for my station. Here comes the job opportunity details. Again, job is not the right word in most of these situations. It's more of a radio opportunity. I really want to make sure this point is driven home hard. Most of these opportunities are going to be free. They're unpaid. I mean, come on. These are internet radio station operators, much like you, if you have your own station. There's zero budget for this. But these operators are making a decision. They would rather turn the mic over to you, somebody who does have a hunger and a skill set and a unique voice, rather than plug in a robotic AI DJ. Even, as good of a sounding AI DJ as RoboDJ. No. It can never compete with that human experience. So this is also a way for my newbies, my passionate radio dudes and dudettes who just want to taste, but there aren't any opportunities to get a real taste. So this is that opportunity to actually, have your voice end up on a quote unquote real radio station, an online station, and do so without having to climb that steep technical mountain of launching your own station. Because a lot of people, they do have this desire, but then it dies once they look at the list of requirements to start your own station. All the tech headaches, the music licensing nonsense, and just, having to keep up with the website and the other tech components. For a lot of you, that's way too much, and you just flip the switch back to off, and your desire just kind of dies because it's too overwhelming. Well, I don't want that to happen. I want you to keep that switch in the on position and really take advantage of this. And check into this site, every couple of weeks. I mean, I don't know how popular it's going to be. I'm just throwing it out there as an option. Whether or not station owners or DJs, take me up on it, well, I have no control over that. I'm just giving you the tool. You decide whether or not you want to use it. I really hope you do, because I do think this is such a great opportunity to have one central clearinghouse specifically for internet radio stations. I mean, I don't think any FMs are gonna, well, they might, because there's so many cheapskates out there who'd love to get some free talent for a terrestrial commercial station. Well, F them. I mean, it's up to you if you want to work for free on a commercial radio station that's making money. That's all on you, but I'd say no. I want to help out our fellow internet radio station operators who really want to do the right thing, and they want to give other people, maybe, newbies, just a chance, a place to work out their skills, to cut their teeth, to improve. And there's only one way to do that. And I really think it is, cutting voice tracks for a real station versus just you in your spare bedroom, tinkering around, recording your own tracks. I think when you truly have a mission and there is a responsibility to deliver these tracks to a real radio station, you will take it more seriously and you will prioritize quality. And then there'll be, the best tracks that you could, produce at this stage in your career. And then you'll only get better through repetition. That's what this is. This is just kind of like a radio gymnasium. It's a place for you to go to build your radio muscles, and you get better. You get better with every break. And hopefully radio station owners see this as that opportunity. And I'll be completely honest with the radio station owners, and I think it's wonderful if you do open up some free slots, some opportunities on your already running radio stations, because come on, at the end of the day, what do we have to lose? Who gives a damn? I mean, we have so few, concurrent listeners at any one time. So do they really care if a newbie, works for 2 hours on your station? Of course not. But does that mean the world to that newbie? Does it keep them going? Does it give them the chance to get better? Hell yes, it does. So I think it's on all of us kind of established radio folk with these existing internet stations to, just open the doors. Give these newbies a chance. Give them a leg up. Give them an opportunity that maybe we had back in the day. I mean, when I was coming up, these crazy overnight shifts were a thing, and they actually were staffed. And so many of us cut our teeth doing midnight to 6, where we can make all the mistakes that we want at the same time while getting better with every break. So I really hope my fellow station owners and operators latch onto that thought and get behind that. Hey, I want you all to remember, you didn't start out where you are now. We all started out in crap city, just embarrassing breaks, but getting better with time. But we had the time to do so on a real radio station. And that's what I hope RadioDJMatch.com does. I really hope it creates kind of a new excitement for bringing live voices back to the radio. Even if it's internet radio, I don't care of the mode of transmission. That is meaningless to me. I just care that it keeps the spirit of radio alive. And I mean, come on, honestly, if you are a young DJ, you're an old DJ, and you're looking for a station to peddle your tricks on, well, good freaking luck finding a real, repository, a real portal for quote-unquote job opportunities. Yes, they exist, but it's just a dumpster fire out there right now. And these station owners, they're barely getting by, so they're going to offer you the absolute rock bottom, not so much to screw you, just because they don't have any more to give. And that's on you. If you want to end up voice tracking for $8 an hour for a real radio station, go for it. If it's a way to get some real experience on, yes, a real station, for some of you, that's enough. I mean, back in the day, if I look at my pay stubs from the 90s, yeah, I think it was $8.27 an hour. But of course, that was standardized for that, day and time. Now, it's a whole different story. So no one's getting rich off this, but I think you get that. I mean, for the most part, nobody ever got rich off of radio. And hopefully you see this for the opportunity it is. And again, that's why I use the word opportunity on the site. These really aren't jobs. Yes, think of these as opportunities and really use that to drive yourself forward when you create your profile. Here we go. Wow, I'm actually surprised. A number of you did create profiles, and I really appreciate that. Here's our buddy at Retro Rocks. I've done a station profile video on him. If you want to watch it, it's right out there. He has a really great station. His sound is kicking. Here's Blue 128 from Wisconsin, paying tribute to the former 1280 WNAM. We are America's best music. And that's American standards. So if American standards are your jam, why not? Maybe we could twist this beer and cheese lover's arm to post a job opportunity. Now I'm logged in as a radio station owner. Here's Triple X80s, and this is what it will look like when you're creating your profile. You basically are putting in your station name, your contact info, call letters, whether you're actually a real station or internet only. Station website is really important because you want, DJs to actually get a feel for what your station's all about. And please, add more than all 80s baby to your station profile. This is a chance to really make your station shine. Let us know what it's about. Get us excited to actually work with you. If you do create a station profile and you actually post some opportunities, then you'll see this dashboard. And this is a chance to either edit your listings or delete them. So if I wanted to make some changes to this, looking for passionate 80s lovers to participate in a future guest DJ takeover on Triple X80s. More info soon, as this dude claims. See if that pans out. And then you choose whether if it's paid, negotiable, unpaid, prefer not to say, which means probably not. And you drop in your format. And is this a full-time, part-time, voice tracking gig, imaging, fill-in, or other? Great, looking good. So as a station operator, I could then come over to the DJs tab and check out, it's my good buddy, Randy Duncan. He's the rock and roll guru. We can listen to his demo reel or we can contact him. And like I said, nobody knows about this yet. So I hope that you head over to RadioDJMatch.com and start, filling this up. Let's get some energy pumping. Let's start pushing out some opportunities. Because, you could continue just, rolling your station as a soulless jukebox in the cloud. Or you can actually pump some live voices out over the airwaves. Get some really good energy, some authentic connection with your listeners that only a human can. And that's my ultimate goal with this. And if you're new to Rockin' a Mic, don't forget about my incredibly free DJ 101 mini course. This is all self-directed. It's over email. I send you like 6 or 7 really valuable, lessons. This course kind of goes deep. You may just think, it's a freebie course. He's trying to sell me something. No, there's a ton of value in this course. Hundreds have gone through it. And if you feel either like you just, need a chance to improve your skills. Maybe you're new at this. Maybe you're rusty. Maybe you haven't, cracked a mic in 5-10 years. Well, this is a great refresher course. But I just deep dive all the principles that I used to use when I was on the air. And again, absolutely free of charge. It's the DJ 101 mini course right down there. Go hit that link and jump in. And I think some of these station owners are going to require, at a minimum, that you've gone through that course if you don't have a demo or air check. So that's going to become a requirement. So get in now. And if you've already gone through the course, great. You can mention that in your bio. Enough blabberty blibber. Come on. It's a simple concept. Go to RadioDJmatch.com. Oh, I don't even think I said this, but hopefully I don't have to. It's completely free. At this point in radio's storied history, I mean, who else is going to advocate for the lonely radio DJ? That's what I hope this platform does. I hope it keeps us going for a little longer. I hope it reignites that spark of what live radio, well, live, I say live, of course it's not live, but at least human radio. But human radio with personality. And please, I think anyone who takes me up on this offer, and I think any station owner that posts opportunities, we really want to prioritize personality, because again, if you can at least deliver that, then I don't see the point of even having a voice on the radio. Just go the soulless jukebox route. And I have so many other tools at your disposal. If you are looking for, creative ideas for what to say when you crack that mic, well, I have that very free Robo Show Prep Google Chrome extension. And I think there's almost 50 other prompts that you can also add to this to take your show to the next level, to come up with such dynamic and cool ideas that listeners would never even see coming. There's enough AI-assisted tools out there to give you your very best sound possible. You just have to go explore them and make them happen. So RadioDJmatch.com, I invite you to check it out. Let me know in the comments how you feel about this. Let me know if you actually jump in, and most important, let me know if somebody gives you the chance to crack that mic and do something that you really love. And if you dug any of this, I would so appreciate a like and a subscribe. I do thank you very much for your time. I am Jeff, the Radio DJ Dude, and until our next little radio rendezvous, you keep rocking those mics all over the world.